Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E7i Power. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. Firstly, open Google Pay. And now this is the homepage of this app. We can add a payment method and add different types of cards. Then if you tap here, you can access your payment methods, participating banks and all your activity. Then you can go to settings, and in settings you can set up email updates, Gmail imports, you can edit your account info, turn on or off personalization within Google Pay, turn on or off purchases notifications, updates about your passes and offers and tips. Then we can go to contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone. Then we've got help and support and send feedback. Last thing, if you tap right here, you've got access to your Google account. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.